So guys, we're gonna get right into it. As you can see, my nails are already prepped. I did that off the camera because I'm going to go in with this McCart's peel off base so I can pop these nails right off so I can continue to make more content for you guys and not destroy my nails. I will be using these Nail Couture Sport Lengths nail. It's from their 123 Go Soft Gel Nails Extension. I will be using the Tipex Instant Apex Nail Glue. You all know this is my favorite right now, so I will continue to use it. We're going to be using Madame Glam's gel polish in the colors Night Shift and Cream Donut. We're going to use this line of Morvan base coat, top coat, and matte coat, as well as this nude from Amazon. This gel paint in white from Poochie's Nails, and this deep brown from Goya in 1159. We will be using this chrome as well. So the reason why I said this is not beginner friendly because applying shorter length nail tips is difficult. You don't have that much room to grip. So yes, I had a little bit of difficulty just adjusting and holding these so they can be straight. I think if I didn't have nail extensions on my other hand, it would have been easier, but this is why this is not beginners friendly, because applying shorter nail extensions, specifically gel tips, is difficult. One of the many reasons I love Tipex is because when you go to file it off, it literally just crumbles off like this. It doesn't, I can't explain it. It just comes off so good, and it's like when you drill, you don't have to drill that harsh into the nail. It just really easily comes up off the nail. So now you're gonna see that I go in and I'm gonna just buff the shine away to allow the gel polish to stick to the nail extension. Now, if you've seen any of my other videos, you know I always go in with my base coat prior to applying my gel polish. I know some of you go in right with the nail art or gel polish after buffing, but I really like to go in with my base coat. It just allows the gel polish to go on nice and smooth. Now, if you made it this far into my video, please consider liking this video and subscribing and sharing with your friends and family. Okay guys, so the rest of the nail art I'm going to do in white because I want to put chrome over it. When I was practicing chroming, I noticed when you put it on black, the chrome is darker tint. So I'm like, let me try it on white so it can be a lighter tone chrome. I didn't want it to be so dark because all the other colors are pretty dark. That green is dark and that brown is dark. So all of the white nail art I'm doing, I am planning on chroming to the best of my ability. To my understanding, chrome only sticks to top coat, like glossy top coat. So we are going to go with matte top coat over all of our nails because we don't want all the nail to be chrome. We want just the white nail art. So first we will matte all the nails, and then I'm going to even go in and buff the nail because some people don't even matte the nail, they'll just go in and buff the nail. But the thing is, we do not want the nails to be shiny at all. So I'm gonna put a layer of matte top coat, and then I'm gonna go in and lightly buff the top of that matte top coat just to make sure the nails are very matte. So I am gonna go in very carefully with top coat on the white nail art. I'm gonna trace it and fill it in to the best of my ability without going outside those lines, and then I'm gonna cure it only for 15 seconds, then apply the chrome. At that point, the chrome should only stick to where I applied the top coat, and it should not stick to the matte part of the nail, as you can see here. So now you would take your top coat and go in and protect your chrome. You want to put a nice thick layer over it, and this will protect your chrome from rubbing away. Make sure you go ahead and fully cure at this point. And also, I was having issues with my chrome still wiping away after putting the top coat, but make sure your top coat don't separate while on the nail before it cures. Just a pro tip for you guys. So now I'm going to go in with the stickers I thought would have enhanced this nail set, but I kind of think they made it look a little junky, and here they are. And now I'm going in with some matte top coat because I want this nail design to be matte, and we are almost finished here. Here are the complete nails. Even though they are not my favorite nail set, I still think I did a good job with my line work and my creativity, and they're not so bad. I got some compliments on them. I did wear them for about a week. You know, I do love this sport length from Nail Couture. But yeah, next time I think I'll do my chrome a little differently, and you know, maybe not have so many different designs on one nail.